So, hi guys! Tayo ay magbabalik and always and maggagawa tayo ng bahay natin. And or from me, I'm going to show you. And then, nasa iba naman tayong lugar ulit. At hindi na to nung, ito ay kulay pink lahat ng gamit nyo guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan o. Kulay pink, tingnan nyo. And look guys, you know, I know, because you know especially. And then yung mga katulad na. Ano to guys? So guys, I will show you and tayo no.
Okay? Everybody rest up and be ready to go at first light. Tomorrow?
Ng ating guys ng gawa ng bahay. Kaya naman papaumagahin natin siya. So let's go guys. Magbubulid tayo muna ng isa. Dapat guys, may bilang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nakalima tayo. Gagawa pa tayo ng isa pa, ng 6. Tapos, dapat guys, pantay yung paggawa natin.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 guys. 6 of layers ng blocks guys. Niyang ganyan. Tignan niyo yung creeper guys. Yung puso niya nakalabas. Puso ko'y tumitibok pa rin sa'yo. Ito. Ganun ulit. 6 na layers sa gitna. Dapat pantay din doon sa gitna. And then, syempre,
I'm telling you, we don't move. Never moving up that shit, guys.
so kaya naman guys, yung yung floor niya, yung kanyang, yung ganito guys. Yung blocks niya sa may baba, ibig sabihin, ayan yung type na color ko. Kaya, ayan ganun kasi yung nakalagay dyan. Madami yan lahat guys. Meron yan dito. Something. Ayan. Meron yan dito. Iba-iba kulay. You not like it. So, syempre, kuha tayo neto. Or kulay blue guys. Yun na like here. So, pwede na tayo magawa dito sa mataas.
You know where they are. Why don't you burn the damn building down? It's one of those things that makes up and screams. They'll scatter like witches. I have to get the alpha.
That's all this is about for you, isn't it? The alpha.
You want to get me? The alpha's Raven World? Will you give me what I want? All of these things. You're not going to get 25 feet. It's your death trap. You You'll run out of time. You will die if you stay here. You have no other choice.
City has 2 million. We can find a place that works.
We just got guys got a plan for fighting Chang.
Chris, what are you talking about? I got mad.
Wow, nice guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Pag nice dun. So, dito yung swimming pool guys. And this one. You not like him or you parents there. This is a very simple.
Maybe I was wrong.
So, syempre, dito ang kwarto. Ay, hindi. Totoo laman pa tayo dito guys.
What about Frank? I mean, what about all these people? They're our family now.
You know, they used to be in my life.
Wait lang! Bye-bye! Next part 2.